Microsoft Copilot is going to revolutionize the way you work with the Microsoft apps you already use.
This Microsoft Copilot demo is brought to you by the Vicenza team. Let's dive in. We'd like to demonstrate how Copilot will reduce the time it takes to get tasks done, as well as boost your creativity.
Consider Copilot as your supportive work companion, here to help you succeed. Let's start with what Copilot can do with your emails and Outlook. Copilot can help you draft an email quickly. With a new mail open, select the Copilot logo, then draft with Copilot. Maybe we want to send some praise to coworkers, so let's add this into our prompt. We could say something like, congratulate the team on the Fabricam launch and ask how the initial numbers look. Choose tone and length, and then let's generate. There it is, a first draft email written by Copilot. Looking for a different result? Click Regenerate. Or tell Copilot what you would like changed in the prompt box, like asking to adjust the tone, for example. When you're happy with the result, select Keep It. You can make any final changes you wish, and then it's ready to send.
Outlook in Copilot can also get you back up to speed on your inbox quickly by summarizing email threads. If you want the latest update on a long email thread, hit Summarise. Copilot scans it. At the top, Copilot displays a summary of the entire thread. Each point is cited so you can jump straight to the relevant email if you'd like more context. The quality of analysis of the summary is remarkable, detailing different perspectives from team members, what decisions have been made, and what plans for action have been generated as an outcome.
Let's say your last meeting overran and your next one has already started. Copilot can bring you back up to speed in no time. Teams summarizes who said what and what points have been made, whilst also describing the spirit of the meeting. As the meeting progresses, you can check in on where people stand. You can even ask Copilot which questions remain unresolved.
Business Chat with Copilot is a particularly cool feature to come out of this Microsoft AI revolution. It works across all your data and apps to help you to do things you've never been able to do before. Let's say you're preparing for a customer meeting. You can ask Copilot within your Business Chat to summarize all your recent customer interactions, meetings or content you've shared, plus any issues and deliverables. Copilot works across your calendar, emails, chats, documents, and meetings to find all the relevant information. You've now got a concise summary, complete with citations. This summary brings its observations to your attention. For example, that product lead times are likely to come up as part of the conversation, and you can ask Copilot to help. Copilot will comb through all your documents, meetings, files, and company resources to get you what you need.
Excel will never be the same with Copilot. Copilot can return analysis results in seconds by you just asking the question. To demonstrate its capabilities, let's start by asking Copilot to analyze the data in this spreadsheet and summarize 3 key trends. And there it is. Next, you ask for a follow-up question about one of the trends. Copilot creates a new sheet displaying the requested information, giving you a sandbox to play in and better understand what you're working with. You can also add a follow-up with a what-if scenario. Copilot will answer your question and generate a simple model.
Copilot in Microsoft Word can help you unleash your creativity. Imagine you have to create a killer proposal to win your next business deal, and you don't have time for writer's block. You can ask Copilot to draft your proposal based on your customer notes in OneNote as well as another internal document. Copilot scans the target files and gets to work, quickly generating a draft with all the key details from the files you've provided. Now let's say you want this to look more like your previous proposals. Copilot can give you a draft in a format you typically use. It uses product images and pulls in relevant information from other files. Copilot can also make suggestions to strengthen the proposal, such as adding an FAQ, which it can generate for you to refine.
You know the feeling. You're working to tight deadlines and suddenly you need to turn your proposal into a PowerPoint presentation scheduled later that day. You can now do this directly with Copilot, which will transfer your Word document into a presentation. You now have a presentation which you can hone and polish, converting a task that could take hours into minutes. If you'd like to add a slide, simply give Copilot a few detailed instructions in the prompt and off it goes. You can tell Copilot that a slide is too wordy and within seconds it will fix it, this time removing the words to a speaker note section and adding animations to give it a more professional look. Copilot not only saves you time, it also makes you a better presenter. Think how much time your organization could save with this powerful AI assistance tool. Speak to us today to harness the full capabilities of Microsoft Copilot as part of your Microsoft 365 license with Vicenza.